How to convert the RAR file into an APK in Android. So if this video helped, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads here. So first, you need to have the RAR app on your phone, and you can download it in the internet. Once you do that, you just open it and look for the RAR file. So just long press it, and once you long press it, you will be open to a window or to a page just like this one, where you are required to have your password, and then just type in your password. Once you type in your password, you will have the APK now, and you can have or open it and run it. So if you want as well to extract the file or the RAR file, what you need to do is come back there and long press and go to extract here or extract files, and then you will be required to put in a password again and just replace the file. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.